Hello, this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm doing an August, September Stampin' Up! Online card class. Yay! And you're going, what's an online card class? Well, it's kind of like when we used to go to somebody's house and make cards all day and it was super fun. Well, we can't do that anymore. So what I'm going to do is I will send you all the products you need to make the cards at home. You also get a YouTube video emailed to you so you can see how the card is made. You will also get a PDF of how the step-by-step instructions, if you like it written down instead, that will come to you as well. And please, before we get into it, before I show you the cards, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that will also get you on the joyacards.com, my website here as well, so you won't miss any of my videos. Boo-boo. Anyway, let's get into it. So let me show you the first card in this kit. The first one is a love card, and I am using that new rainbow glitter paper. And on the front it says love, and then inside it says you. So you get to make 2 of these. The second card I'm showing you is woohoo, love again. Where it got a theme going. So this is that new geometric design, and on the inside it says happy birthday, and it's all inlaid. So you get to make 2 of those. The third one is I love the triangle dies. Boo, I love them, and it says forever. And by the way, you can buy all these products on my Stampin' Up site. It's right here or right here. So, and my August host code is right there as well. So here's the new triangle one, and on the inside, you can write whatever you want. Boop. And then the last one is a pop-up card. Say what? A pop-up card and an online card class? You betcha. So here it is, and when you open it up, pop. Isn't that beautiful? And that's that new DS paper for playing with patterns. So you're asking yourself probably, well, how do I order these? Well, this is what you do. You write me a comment in the video, put your email, and I'll contact you. I take PayPal, Zelle, and Venmo. You can go to joyofcards.com, which is my website, and write me an email there. You can go on my email, which is right here, Noreen@joyofcards.com, and say, hey, I would like to order a card kit. And guess what happens? You get one of these in the mail. This is, I ship U.S. Postal Service, these nice, hard, heavy boxes that have a tracking number. Totally legit. So how much is this? The whole thing, 8 cards, all the PDF instructions, all the videos. You'll get the 4 videos. You get it shipped securely with a tracking number. The shipping is $8. The cards are $20. So if you're local in the Denver area, you can just pick up your card kit for $20. Or if you'd like it mailed, it's all just a flat rate. It's $8. So, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, please, please. And that is my online card class. So I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.